and PLDT Home Ultra takes set number 1, 25-21. So what happened in the first set?
Well, as you look at the statistics, you can see that dun lang sa attack points nagkaroon ng malaking diferensya. 11 for Philippine Army in PLDT Home Ultra with 14. Pero dun sa ibang skills natin, tinan mo, block lamang lang na isa PLDT. Sa aces lamang din na isa. Sa errors naman, PLDT pa rin ang lumamang doon. So, nakkeep naman ng Army. So, sa 6 yung kanilang errors. So, ito sa really close first set, even if yung score natin is 21-25. But, again, it's ito rin naging factor yung blocking ng dalawang tall players. Talking about Hurt and Freeman on the side of PLDT. So, something that the Philippine Army, they have to address that. And yun nga, yung coverage also would be very important for the Philippine Army since may blockers sa malalaki dun sa kabila. So, iba kasi yung angulo niyan eh, di ba? Iba yung kailangan yung si Agno would be really, kumbaga, aggressive and yung read niya dun sa mga hulog ng tall blockers tall players ng Ultra, iba rin. So, kumbaga, one step kailangan ahead si Tin Agno.
That's right. So defense would definitely play a very big role in today's game. And Ultra gets point number 1 here.
Well, so far, Valdez with 5 points, Freeman with 6, and Hurt with 4. On the other side, it's Marano with 6 points already. Gonzaga and Tobino, 3 each.
De Leon playing very smart. Ito ang magandang matchup talaga ng mga setters. Kasi itong dalawang setter na to, parehong pinaglihisapin niya. Diba? Yan yung mga talagang mata sa likod. Doon nakatingin sa harap, pero alam niya kung ano nangyayari sa likod
niya. Yan ang maganda.
De Leon goes to Roses, drops it. Agno able to save it. Tobino hammers that. That's another net violation error ang itatawag sa Ultra.
Yun ang masakit, partner. Again, dun, alam mo, on the first set, I think they threw away about 6 service points. So, parang given yan to PLDT. Eh, natalo lang sila by 4.
Right.
Diba? So,
that the services could have made a difference.
Correct. So, yun yung mga freebies na binibigay sa opponent. Sabi mo nga kanina, medyo sa huli, pwedeng maging masakit yan, diba? In a close match like this one.
And Hurt scores another point here for Ultra. So we are tied 2-all. Sasa de Banadera serving for Ultra. Shakey's if it's fun. Family pizza, it's got to be Shakey's. Salak one-hand set to Tobino. No coverage para dito sa Philippine Army. The Roses was able to get that point here for Ultra.
So again, ito si Coach Gong Correas, I think, trying to address that coverage that you were talking about. Sending in Torres to replace Tin Agno.
And that service error naman from Sasa de Banadera ties the match here in set number 2, 3-all. Royce Tobino serving for Philippine Army. Good serve. Freeman off the block.
Easy taking there. Freeman just using the blocker, Gonzaga on that last point. Ay, tama, partner, hindi naman gano'ng kalakas yung palo. Pinatama lang talaga kay Jobelin.
And yun, isang advantage mo rin kung matangkad ka.
Tama.
Kasi kayang-kaya mong patamain sa tip ng fingers eh.
Oh, but White on the serve was Hurt. Yan na naman yung freebie. Pero this time, sa kabilang komponent galing sa Ultra.
Tied at 4, we are here in set number 2, the championship game, the gold medal match here. Eliza Valdez for Ultra.
Si Coach Kuku, sabi niya, sinabi ko na sa inyo, bata pa yan, alam ko na laro niyan.
And this Ultra Fast Spike is brought to you by PLDT Home Ultra, the Ultra Fast LTE for a happy family. Substitution para dito sa Ultra. So Gretzel Soltones comes back in to replace Hurt. violation error once again para dito sa Altera. A lot of free points naman ang binibigay ng Altera dito para sa Army
Second
Troopers.
set, that's right.
Abby Maranyo for the Lady Troopers. So palitan ng puntos, tied tayo, 5-all.
We kind of expected this
Oh,
kind
yeah.
of game.
We sort of knew this is going to be the kind of game.
Kiniklaim na natin.
Inuunahan na natin si Noel.
Tama.
Joan Bunag, block. So Remy Palma is now seeing action here for Filipino Army.
Good read of that dig by Tobino. And a better offense by John Bunag on that off-the-block point. And then, off the blockers of Altera. Take a look at this once again.
Siyempre choosing the smaller blocker na si Ruby De Leon. Abby Maranyo. Another good serve. To go to Valdez, off speed. Palma gives out a free ball.
Well read by Agno. Bettina once again trying to go for a dunk.
Good reception from Gonzaga. Bunag, off speed. Running for good block for Palma.
That's right, sinalok galing sa ilalim. Oh,
Good
once
block for
again.
Palma.
Solid single block from Palma and gets the point on the second try.
Perfect timing here. Abby Maranyo once again for the Lady Troopers. Go to Valdez. Off the block. Maranyo able to keep it alive. They go to Gonzaga. Back row for Roses who drops it. Running from Palma.
Palma just making things happen on the side of the Philippine Army. The Lady Troopers now ahead in the second set, partner.
That's right. We're going to come into the first technical timeout. Score is 8-5 in favor of the Philippine Army. Handang magpuyat para manood ang ating finals. In the meantime, Miyaka Lim, what do you have for us?
Maraming salamat, Ivy. Kagaya nga ng sabi niyo ni Mozi kanina, itong PLDT went all Filipino from third set to the last ball. And nakausap ko nga si Victoria Hurt before the game, who is, by the way, if I see that, pero she's still braving this game. And sabi niya, it was a matter of adjusting pagdating sa communication. Sabi niya, dapat lang daw alam nila kung anong ginagawa ng buong team. And syempre, as guest players, kailangan informed din sila doon sa plano ng kanilang mga teammates. Sabi niya, malaking adjustment, but she is very confident that they will get this one today. Balik sa inyo.
That's right. Confidence really plays a big role, especially if you're playing in a championship match.
That is true. Kasi yung confidence, sometimes, parang it's also parang equal to yung buo ang loob.
Oo.
Diba? Yung buwang loob sa loob ng court.
And yung body language mo, yung actions mo really follows kung depende kung anong confidence
Tama.
level meron ka.
That's true.
De Leon now will set up.
Oh, very nice! Ruby De Leon. Credit at that point,
yeah.
Ruby De Leon.
Actually, Army was already expecting na ibibigay ni Ruby kay Alyssa.
Oh.
Pero ginawa ni Ruby,
On an underhand
pa. Running na underhand.
Right. On an underhand set, give it to a running setup to Freeman.
So Altera, although they're down by 3 points, but this is 6 serving 9.
Ano naman ang kanina sabi mo, maganda rin ang labanan ng setters. Salak now with 10 excellent sets, De Leon with 9.
Very close match here. So service error mula dito sa Altera. PLDT Ultra Fast LTE for happy family with speeds up to 10 Mbps. Monthly internet for as low as $9.99. Valdez was able to keep it alive pero walang support. Para
Doon sa second ball, it was actually a low ball for Gonzaga, but a playable.
Yeah, that's right. Pwede pa namang mangat eh.
And this once again, there you go. No one there for the second ball. Tobino also getting ready for her attack.
Too late to react na eh. Eliza Valdez serving for Altera.
Eliza Valdez getting an ace.
So, dalawa na lang ang kalamangan nitong Lady Troopers. 8 serving 10. Eliza Valdez. Another good serve. So, free ball ang ibibigay ng Philippine Army. Sasa de Banadera. We go to Topino. Agno with the cover. Palma. De Leon, drop shot. Buhay pa ang bola. O but a net violation error. Umami naman si Tina Sala.
Kanina pa nilireklamo ni Ruby actually yan, yung mga net violations dito sa Philippine Army. Allegedly. Ay, kasi pag hindi tinawag, diba? So, hindi naman sure kung tama yung sinasabi ni Ruby. So, alleged
Net violation errors. Ako may kuryente talaga yan, walang deny eh.
Ay,
no?
oo.
Tatayo lahat ng buhok mo. Bautista for the Lady Troopers. But De Banadera able to cover it. Aggressive to si Soltones.
Tama.
Soltones was able to block Palma. Jazz at the net one at kay Tina Sala.
Tina Sala.
O diba dati middle attacker yun si Tina Sala. So familiar territory din yung gitnang yan.
Sabi niya, sorry, akin to. Binabayaan niya munang mauna si Raza. Kasi kanya hindi siya nag-chowsin siya na paglaban eh. That's just a smart move right there.
So, kasi siguro sabi niya, naging teritoryo ko rin to.
Tsaka magaling sa physics.
Oo.
Huwag mo na labanan yung force.
Exactly.
Tama na, di ba? Hintay mo na lang yung bola, kasi balik.
Oh, that made it to the line. Soltones scores for Altera. Then serving 11, Ruby De Leon getting ready to serve. Agno. Maraño from the back row. Combination play, Rogers off the block.
Combination play once again coming from Altera. And only one blocker for Sue. Teresa Bautista.
And again, you know, De Banadera was able to make the middle blocker commit. Kaya libre-libre, isang blocker lang ang humabol.
Yun din ang maganda kasi itong Philippine Army not able to set up well because nahirapan sila sa first ball. Kay Ruby De Leon off a serve sa receive.
Combination.
Beautifully done!
That was a well-executed play from a Lady Troopers.
Right. Gonzaga getting that point.
Ang ganda ng choreography.
Right.
Take a
Double
look at
quick.
that. And again, you know, Tina Salak making it difficult for the blockers also to judge kung kanino pa niya ibibigay. Kasi una mong babasahin is yung setter, yung body language ng setter eh.
Pero kung ang setter mo si Tina Salak, bukas ka na, bukas mo na mababasa yan. Mahirap basahin.
It's a closed book. I'm sorry.
At saka piti ng ending.
Abangan ang susunod na kapanan.
May book 2.
Parang series, no? Isang collection.
Kaya siya, di ba? Parang may book 2. Di mo malalaman ang ending nito hanggang sa kutulu-tuluhan na lang.
Remy Palma now serving for the Lady Troopers. 13 serving 11. Oh, that was a long serve.
Service errors plaguing the Lady Troopers.
Altera down by 1 point, 12 serving 13. Axel, the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League. Sasa de Banadera for the serve. Sala goes to Gonzaga. That was too near the net. So Tones able to bring it back and get the point here for Altera.
Actually, it was overset by Tina Sala. Apologizing right away to Coach Correas.
Salak goes to Gonzaga, who drops it. Valdez able to keep it alive. They go to Freeman, who drops it. Gonzaga was still there.
And Freeman on that power
tinawid na lang niya yung bola, ganun siya katangka. Inabot na lang yung bola sa itaas eh. De Vanadera once again. Better reception here for Army. Maraño drops it. Ruby De Leon is there. Soltones. Go to Gonzaga. He's blocked. Oh, that was a bad shot from Salak.
Salak oversetting it once again.
Timeout be called here by Coach Coco Reyes.
Just had enough, not even waiting for the technical timeout.
By 2 points, 15-13. And you can see the good-sized crowd that we have here in San Juan Arena. Biglang uminit dito sa loob. Sobrang daming nanonood eh.
Well, according to Coach Kungfu nga naman, yung hindi sila maka-move on to sa errors na ginagawa nila. Sabi, tama naman yun. Move on lang pag may time.
At marami namang time.
Yes! Move on talaga.
Humuhugot ka rin dito, Mosia.
Totoo.
Teresa now in the serve. Soltones!
Soltones!
Hits a home run!
Nakita ko si tumatakbo eh. Touch base naman. 1, 2, 3. Home run! Sabihin naman niya mamaya, ikaw talaga.
Bautista once again.
Maraño
with a power tip. And that brings Army to the lead, 16-15. This is the second technical timeout. We'll be back. And once again, these are our Twitter and FB accounts for all the latest updates para dito sa V-League. So ito lang ang kailangan nyo hanapin. And another good reason once again para pumunta dito sa San Juan Arena sa dinami-dami ng taong nandito. Napili na po natin ang ating face of the game. This is Danel Paragas, 19 years old from Marikina. At siya ang swerteng nakakuha ng box of pizza. So
marami ring masarap kainan dyan.
Oo. Daan muna dito.
But Sue Roses getting that hit to go on running hit. Ngayon, alam mo, Ivy, when we look at both teams, parang mas kumpiyansa.
Oo.
Diba, itong Ultera, sa pagdating lang sa game phase o sa paglalaro at this point. So, yun ang kailangan na mag-gain back nitong Philippine Army.
Combination play.
There you go.
Gonzaga converts here for the Lady Troopers.
That is right. Agno with 3 digs and Pantone with 2. But Agno, 1 reception only against the 6 of Pantone. So, di ba, nabanggit nga natin, nahihirapan sa reception itong Philippine Army kaya hindi makapag-set up ng play.
Well, the point goes to Ultera. They're saying that goes outside. Yung antena talaga na yun eh, no? Talagang pahamak talaga.
Pahirap ng buhay.
Mahirap, nipis-nipis, pero sakit sa ulo eh, no? Because the official ball of the Shakey's V-League.
Kaya minsan, di ba kung coach ka, nakakabilib lang na yung mag-serve ka. Yan pa'y tatamaan.
Oo, yan pa'y masabihin talaga, coach, mahirap tamaan yan. Dapat kino-comment mo ko.
Tama.
Galing mo target.
Ito natin sa mga bata. Panigulan na.
Yan ang dapat na iniiwasan. Abby Maraño in the meantime avoiding that antenna very clearly.
That's right. But Pantone again once again receiving that ball so well.
Gonzaga from the back row. Soltones able to keep it alive. Free ball mula sa Ultera. Sala! Naapangan ni Freeman.
Ano nga din ang sala ko? Sabi niya, pagpira naman kayo. Hindi niya man lang ako winarningan.
Ang laki!
Ano ba yan?
Let's take a look at that again.
Hindi niya naman sinabi nagsara yung elevator. Sarado na pala yung elevator. Eh, pambira naman.
Laluan Latigay comes in for Freeman. Of course, this is for the serving duties. This is 18
All Filipino now for Ultera.
Devanadera.
You know what's not working for Philippine Army really is their coverage. Since from the get-go, yun eh, yung coverage na ang nagiging problema nila. They're able to put up the first ball. Pero walang nagpa-follow up.
Oo. And that goes outside from Latigay.
Too much muscle on that serve. But you know, Philippine Army, they should capitalize on the errors being committed by Ultera.
Joan Bunag serving for the Lady Troopers. We're tied 19 all. Devanadera. That was a bit too low for her. Oh,
Tina Salak Jordan on that Jordan.
Oh, Jordan.
Sige. Sorry. Jordan Clarkson. Oh, bumata mo.
Bawi. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's got the shake. Baka narinig ni Tina. Bakit naman sa old school?
Old school. Bumata naman ako.
Bataan natin.
Super bata.
Parang may dinudukton sa PhD. Jordan.
Yun lang.
So, tayo na tayo. 20 all. Eliza Valdez serving for Ultera. So, Bautista. And then Palma gives a free ball. They go to Soltones. Off the block.
Soltones getting that point on that off the block hit. Si Soltones din parang talagang happy childhood lang when you watch her play.
Parang no pressure no pressure sa kanya
Pag coach ka, pagkainit ulo mo, gusto mo sa banutan. Pero pag hindi naman, okay lang. Masaya. Naka-pump up ng team.
That's right, nagkamali siya, nakangindi lang, diba? So Tubino now goes back in for Bautista. Lady Troopers down by 2 points, 22 serving 20. Eliza Valdez serving for Ultera.
At ito na naman, gantong-ganto ang storya natin ng first set. Tingnan natin if we have a different ending.
Soltones. Blocked by Palma. De Leon goes to Valdez from the back row. Barano with a misreceive.
Pa rin, 22-20, naging 23-20.
And that causes Coach Kungfu to call for a timeout. Let's listen in. Filipino Army, they need to regroup. Actually, it's more of the errors lang that they need. So, wala naman silang problema sa atake.
Yung coverage nga yung pasa kasi syempre malalakas rin pumalo yun sa Ultera. So they have to focus more on coverage.
And Palma able to get a score here for the Lady Troopers.
Yun lang kailangan gawin nila. Kayod lang. Lalo na nandito na tayo sa ending. And they have to minimize o kung pwede nga actually remove the errors kasi nandito na tayo sa dulo.
De Banadera. Maranya able to keep it alive. Gonzaga on this violation error mula sa Altera. Coach Roger Goriev calls for timeout. Obviously was, just to break the momentum here for the Lady Troopers. Altera, they're up by 1-23-22. Tina Salak serving for the Lady Troopers.
Nice short serve from Tina.
Oh, there was a touch from the blockers.
Exactly, a touch. Let's see if yung naman yung capacity to hold on ng Army. Nandiyan naman yan. So let's see how they deal with this one.
A good attempt from Tina Salak. But that is an overreach violation backliner ng ating setter. So that gives PLDT Home Altera set number 2, 25-22. The Army did fight well.
Ganun I mean, it was just like a replica of the first set.
Yeah.
Ganyan ang pangyayari. So, ito nga, Philippine Army, they should really take care of their coverage partner.
And this is our shake and play. That was a block touch from Remy Palma and no coverage once again para dito sa Philippine Army. And that seals it for set number 2. PLDT Home Altera up by 2 sets. We'll be back.